17th January 2026, a defining moment in the history of the Nigerian Society of Engineers. On this day, the society formally invested its 35th president, Engineer Alimasuya Rabiu, FNSE, FASCE, FAEngr, MFR, marking a new chapter of leadership, responsibility and vision.
I will discharge my duty to the best of my ability. Faithfully.
And in accordance with the provisions of the Memorandum and Articles of Association.
And in accordance with the provisions of the Memorandum and Articles of Association.
And the vision of the Nigerian Society of Engineers.
And the vision of the Nigerian Society of Engineers.
As President, I am committed to leading this research with focus and conviction, building an institution that sets engineering standards, drives innovation, and delivers measurable value to members. This is the spirit of the Rabiu presidency, resetting the NSE for relevance, resilience, and national impact.
The Nigerian Society of Engineers stands as one of the largest and most diverse professional institutions within the built environment. From civil to electrical, mechanical to marine, and across many specialized disciplines, engineers remain central to the systems that sustain modern life. Yet, beyond technical diversity, one principle binds this vast professional family together: unity.
It is also my pleasure to present to the immediate past president the minutes of the executive committee and council minutes during her tenure from January 2024 to November 2025.
Members from across Nigeria gathered to witness this transition, reflecting the strength, solidarity, and shared purpose that define the engineering profession. The ceremony also marked the formal handover from the immediate past president, Engineer Margaret Aina Oguntala, FNSE, closing one era of service and opening another, grounded in continuity and progress. The investiture was honored by the presence of distinguished national leaders, including representatives of federal and state governments, the Emir of Lafia present in person, a representative of the Governor of Nasarawa State, and a representative of former President Goodluck Jonathan GCFR, who served as special guest of honor. Also in attendance was former Senate President Senator Anyim Pius Anyim, alongside other eminent dignitaries. The event concluded with a formal vote of thanks delivered by Engineer Wokpamo Kamila Maliki, FNSE, Chairman of the Presidential Investiture Committee. At the Chronicles of Construction, a media platform dedicated exclusively to the built environment, we remain committed to documenting the people, institutions, and moments that shape Nigeria's physical future. This coverage was covered in collaboration with the Chairmen, NSC Branch Chairman Forum, under the coordination of Engineer Olumayowa Idowu, FNSE, ensuring accurate representation and professional storytelling. This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.